Hey there guys, and welcome back to our new episodes here on Indefinite Wonder.
Big news, we bought our first house and it's not like a normal conventional house, it's a home on wheels.
It's a Mitsubishi Delica. It's a four-wheel drive van with a proper low ratio gearbox and a center locking transfer case. So this thing is capable.
Go on Derry, yeah boy.
The whole reason we bought it was because we're now in Australia and we wanted to travel and see as much of this country as we can. We had the options of going for like a small van or a four-wheel drive, and then we were like, why don't we just get a small van that is a four-wheel drive?
Exactly.
And that is the Mitsubishi Delica.
And the last few months we have been working our ass off and converting this thing into our proper, perfect little home. And we love it.
It's cracking, absolutely cracking.
And we want to share everything with you. So here we go and welcome.